The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County and central Maryland until 9:45 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chevy Chase, or over Bethesda, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Bethesda, Olney, Aspen Hill, North Bethesda, Fairland, White Oak, Colesville, Kemp Mill, Chevy Chase, North Kensington, South Kensington, Forest Glen, North Chevy Chase, Wheaton Glenmont, Rossmere, Silver Spring, Wheaton, Calverton, Cloverly, and Glenmont. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This is a statement from the